Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's be grateful for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has provided assistance and opportunities so I can do internship seminar. Before I start, I would like to express my gratitude for Mr. Mardi MSE as my lecturer who has advised and helped me in preparing my internship report. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Faisal from Accounting Education 2018, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. I would like to explain my internship report. The title is Internship at Saving and Loan Unit in Koperasi Pegawai Badan Pengawasan Keuangan dan Pembangunan Pusat. First, I want to explain the purpose of internship. The purpose of internship are 1. Applying the theories and knowledge that have been studied on campus to work in the office. 2. Improve the insight and skill in working in the accounting field. 3. As a requirement to obtain a Bachelor of Education for students of the Economic Education Study Program, the concentration of Accounting Education State University of Jakarta. 4. Developing an attitude of discipline, responsibility, independence, enthusiasm, innovation, and initiative in doing a job. Establish good cooperation between Jakarta State University of Jakarta and companies. Next, I want to explain the benefit of internship. The benefit of internship are 1. Knowing the real world of work and preparing for the real world of work. 2. Implementing the knowledge learned on campus, especially in accounting at the office. 3. Knowing situation and condition so that it's easy to adapt to the work environment and learn to solve problem for a job. 4. Adding relationship and connection for practitioners. Next is schedule of internship. There are 4 internship activities that first is observation and second is preparing, conduct in July 2020, making an internship application letter and waiting for a reply from the company. Next is implementation on August to September 2020 and writing and delivery of report on October to November 2020. Next is company profile and internship schedule. Company profile. Name of company is Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. Address at Pramuka Street number 33, first floor, Utan Kayu, East Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. Telephone number is 021-859-10031. Internship schedule the 3rd of August to 11th of September 2020. Days Monday to Friday, time 8 to 16:30. Next is history of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat was established on 14th of February 1985 with the approval of the head of regional office of the DKI Jaya Cooperative Department, the 20th of July 1988. Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat was ratified as a legal entity and has been registered in the General Register the 29th of July 1988. On August 2019, Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat has joined as a member of the Pusat Koperasi Pegawai Republik Indonesia. By joining PKPRI, Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat get facilities such as training on cooperative from PKPRI, discussion on cooperative management, and capital assistance when needed. Vision of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. The vision is the realization of the welfare of the member in order to meet the consumption needed by members in accordance with the scope of business mandate by the Cooperative Law Number 25 of 1992 and the ADART Koperasi Pegawai BPKP. Mission of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat as the realization of the vision. 1. Developing Koperasi Pegawai BPKP as a competitive savings and loan financial institution by optimizing the best service for each member. 2. Developing Koperasi Pegawai BPKP as a competitive retail trading institution in the framework of trading market to meet the basic needs of members by optimizing the convenience and the best service for members. And 3, empowering Koperasi Pegawai BPKP as a representative business institution in cooperating with the first business partner. Organizational structure Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat, the highest position is on the advisor. Under advisor are manager and supervisor. Under manager are secretary, treasurer, administration and finance, cooperative manager, and business unit. Under cooperation manager are coordinating of saving and loan unit and head of the shop. Coordinator of the saving and loan unit and accounting department are currently. Under coordinator are unit stakeholder, travel, and customer service. Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat has capital. 1 is main capital and 2 other capitals. Main capitals are principal savings, mandatory savings, reserve, and other capital is voluntary savings. Next is main activities at Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. First is saving and loan unit are regular loans, short-term loan, long-term loan, and other loans. 2, shop business unit is Omi Shop, and other business unit are Open Table, Photocopy, Travel, Batik BPKP, and Kararo Cafe. Next, I will mention about my job description on internship program. 1. Archive a letter out of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. 2. Understanding the accountability report or laporan pertanggungjawaban of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. 3. Reconciliation of general ledger, account operational cash, large cash, and Bank BRI current account with cash book. 4. Type daily transaction into the operational treasurer ledger. 5. Delivering document to the self loan section and retrieving document from the chairman of the corporation. 6. Making a recap of the loan collateral list of the corporation members. 7. Make a list of the loan receivables. 8. Making a recap of the balance of interest income of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat from 2016 to 2018. And the last, helping frontliner in serving BPKP employees or members. 1. Archive a letter out of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. On the first day in internship, interns were asked to achieve the cooperative exit letter into the handwritten ledger. This activity aims to help the achieving of the letters and practices to see the content of the letter. One overview of the activities of the Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. The first is letter data from secretary, and 2, I open it and I archiving mail, and the result of the work is on ledger book. 2. Understanding the accountability report of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. Accountability report contains explanation of the organization such as organizational history, organizational structure, membership, and financial statement from 2016 to 2018. Financial statements were made by themselves at 2016, while from 2017 to 2018 using audit service. 3. Reconciliation of general ledger, account operational cash, large cash, and Bank BRI current account with cash book. I have 2 assignments. The section 1, reconciliation of the general ledger of the operational treasurer with the operational cash account ledger. First, prepare the operational cash account ledger data with cash book of the operational treasurer. Next, print the prepared data. Then, reconcile by checking if the balance match and unchecking if this different or doesn't exist. After that, notify of transactions that are not appropriate or do not exist to operational treasurer. This is two options. If there is an error, you can working on your parts you haven't not done or wrong. But if you it's mistake of the treasurer of you are right, you can provide the result of the work to the operational treasurer. And this is a picture that before reconciling and after reconciling, you can see that before reconciling it is not checking, and after reconciling I have checking on ledger. My second assignment is the reconciliation of the Deputy Treasurer General Ledger with the General Ledger of the large cash account and bank BRI current account. First is prepare operational cash account ledger data with cash book of Deputy Treasurer. Next, print the prepared data. After that, reconcile by checking if the balance match and unchecking if isn't different or doesn't exist. And then notify the transaction that are not appropriate or do not exist to accounting department. This is different if my first assignment to small treasurer or operational treasurer, and this second assignment to accounting department. And this is same as first assignment. If there is an error, I working part on you have done or wrong, and if a mistake from treasurer or it's right, provide the result of work to the accounting department. And this is picture of preparing and printing data. I printing on home and I printing on office. 2, I reconciliation process. I working on office and work at home. And the last is half the result of reconciliation. 4. Type daily transaction into the operational treasurer ledger. First is prepare data from cash book manual and Excel file already created by the operational treasurer or small treasurer. Next, typing transactions that have been prepared the operational treasurer. After that, tell the treasurer about the unclear information on the cash book manual. F2 option, if there is error in typing, I would like to revise the mistyped section, and if it's correct, I've saved the file and deliver the result of work. This is cash manual book, and I typing transaction to Microsoft Excel. 5 is delivering document to the save loan section and retrieving document from the chairman on the corporation. Delivering document to the chef loan section on the 4th floor to be signed or authorized. To assess the loan distribution process and retrieving document on the 10th floor of the corporation headroom. 6. Making a recap of the loan collateral list of corporation members. First, request a list of loans from the great treasurer. Next, register the loan collateral of cooperative member in Microsoft Excel. Then, giving the result of the work to the great treasurer. This is 2 options. If there is an error in typing, I revise the mistyped section. And if I correct, I will save the file and deliver the work. This is documentation, and on the left picture, this is all recap data from Great Treasurer, and I create a new recap, and the right is my work result. 7. Make a list of loan receivables. First is set up a format that has been created by the accounting section. 2. Open the Smart application. 3. Go to accounting menu, order report, and select the word unit you want to know the balance from. Fourth, copy the balance work unit to the working paper that has been prepared by the accounting department. Fifth, calculate the total balance of all work unit, and the last, giving the result of the work to the accounting department. There is a smart application view and balance checking menu, and this is format by accounting department. I copy or I calculate the loan balance. 8. Making a recap of the balance of interest income of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat from 2016 and 2018. First is short ledger for interest income account. Second, create a recap format in Excel. Third, input the final balance of the interest income into Excel. And the last, giving the result of work to the accounting department. This is documentation. First, I want to short ledger for interest income account. After that, I typing on Microsoft Excel, and that is work result. The last of my activity is helping frontliner in serving BPKP employees. The activities are providing information about the members' voluntary saving balance and preparing proof of expense if member wants to withdraw the voluntary saving fund. The first step is open smart application to check saving balance, and the last, if members want to withdraw, I proof of income and expense. Problem during internship. 1. In doing reconciliation, the work given is not in accordance with the time it should be because the treasurer has not completed in the cash book. Normally, reconciliation is done every month after bank current account have been given to treasurer. The reason for the abstraction of the reconciliation process because general treasurer work as civil servant and cooperative administrator. So the general treasurer have difficulty in working on the cash book quickly because she has busy job at BPKP. Next is problem operating smart application because the interns not familiar with application and many others menu that must be filled. So interns has problem to use application. And 3, there's no standard operation procedure. 3. There is no standard operating procedure for intern. How to solve the problem? 1 is help the operational treasurer to work on the cash book. So treasurer have 2. First is general treasurer and 2 is operational general treasurer. I help the operational treasurer in daily transaction into cash book as long as general treasurer not been complete to typing the cash book. Then prepare and work on other data such as the Bank BRI current account with the Bank BRI Giro account ledger BPKP Pramuka branch to be reconciled in advance to facilities reconciliation on the general ledger. In addition, the insurance of trying as quickly as possible in working on reconciliation process for January to May. This is for trigger the general treasurer to immediately complete the general ledger in the following month in order to immediately carry out the reconciliation process by the intern. Second is the practice of recording explanation from employee about menus and steps to check the balance in the smart application, as well as playing an active roles or always asking employee if there is no menu as not known by the intern. Third, preparation of weekly schedule of intern due to work from home policy. There is no time for intern to determine when practice should carry out for work from home activities and technical at work from home, as well as smart application just only used in the office. The solution of this problem is contact the supervisor as well as the accounting department to determine the practical schedule, whether WFO or WFH, because the practice or the intern in the implementation of more activities to work with the accounting department, so there need to be direct coordination to minimize error. 4. Making standard operational procedure for practice to manage the stage of a certain work process or work procedures. SOP is used to instruct the intern to be targeted in accordance with the objective of the internship. For intern, SOP is useful to know the job description and the work to be done. For Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat, SOP is useful as a selection to accepting the intern candidate who want to carry out internship in this institution. Prospective interns give SOP and practical objective in the institution so that later prospective practice can find out if the intended institution is accordant with their internship objective. In addition, supervisor can reduce the level of supervision and explain a job because there is an already SOP that contains an explanation of the work to be done practical. And conclusion, what I get in internship: 1. Practitioners get a warm welcome from employee, give the direction and information about work, provide motivation and encouragement during the internship. During an internship, the practice get experience that the key to getting the job done probably was to start from an attitude and ethics support by good communication. Apprentices get knowledge of reconciling ledger in the real time and can implement form according to the learning that has been received at campus. Interns know the debt borrowing process and know the flow from filling out the form until the funds are liquid. 5. Interns get knowledge about the information system used by Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat is smart. Intense the knowledge about the preparation is of loan of the receivable list and balance the interest income of Koperasi Pegawai BPKP Pusat. And the last, interns get new experience how to behave when serving members who come to cooperative as well as ethics is submitting documents or taking document. The last is suggestion for students before targeting the internship place should look for information on the internship place, then go and ask for explanation for the job desk that will be done later to fit the purpose of the internship. For Koperasi BPKP Pusat, the company provides more jobs so that interns get more knowledge than the job provides. And the company makes SOP or standard operational procedure on internship to be more targeted and more structured in activities. And for economic education, concentration of accounting education FEWNJ, it is a recommendation that study program prepare briefing on the implementation of internship at least 6 months before the scheduled internship. And it has been determined by the supervisor or lecturer before the internship program is carried out. And the last study program should be cooperated with between companies to make it easier for students to get internship. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.